Hi everyone, this is the Moodle orientation, which is our e-learning platform at UNAM. So to log in into this platform, you will have to use any of the web browsers that are available, preferably Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Safari. So you have to type this URL in those browsers and then you enter. Once you enter, it will bring you to this page. It will indicate sealed 2023, meaning you are on the current year. So if you are a senior student and you would want to access previous years, you can use these links here on top. Okay, so to log in, you have to either click on the login on this top right corner, or you can click the open block drawer to expand this column on your right. So you can log in with your username and then the password that you were given by Computer Center.